Here we have Solana, symbol SOL versus the dollar. This one being requested by Green Third Eye. Great name. And I wonder what you're up to right now, sir, in the early morning hours. Anyways, he's looking at a 4-hour daily and weekly. Good day to you as well, sir. All right, so yesterday we did say that if this one did break this nice uptrending, what do you want to call this, diagonal support line right here at about 73.5 or 74 bucks, then we would be looking for a move all the way down, to the very nasty price of 69 or so, just right below there on the 55 on this chart. We have thus far bounced off this level on the 4-hour time frame, and we can look at some a little bit more reasonable like this in this case. Now we do have potential hidden bullish evidence going to be confirmed on this current potential 4-hour low. How would we confirm this as a 4-hour low right here? We need to see a closure back above about 73 bucks. It would be a little bit better if it was above 73.5. If that does happen, I would look for this one to continue to fill out this area and look for a resolution, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but probably on Friday to Saturday region, somewhere around here. Just as an aside, things are more likely to actually break if you are in a pattern formation when you're about 70 to 75% full, and this one's getting there, but the apex is actually still way out there, so it could very easily spend some more time until like the 27th, 28th, maybe even 29th. But for right now, as long as this one does hold the 55, I have no major issues with it. The technical target to the upside would actually be a little bit higher than what we had yesterday, seeing as the structure is slightly different now that we actually do have a bit of a low going in right there, and would imply a target basically up to 90 bucks if we do see an upside resolution anywhere above about 80 bucks right here, or just a higher high than what we did see on the 21st of August. Obviously, just looking for a tick is going to be less, impressive, but let's go to the daily as well and see what this one's looking like. And what do we have right here? Yeah, just bounce off the 10 symbol for right now. Now, if this one does choose the downside resolution, meaning that it actually does break below its current low structure, which is, let's just say 69 bucks or so on a 4-hour closure, I would look for a decent size retracement into the 50s. Let's see if that's in line with the daily 21. Yeah, it is. It is about 59 to 60 bucks, and that's what I'd be looking for on the next bounce. Also in line with the 1.272 around there as well. Let's see what this one looks like from a stochastic perspective as well. Oops, I literally just typed in stochastic. What is this one called? Solana. Solanas. There we go. All right, show me the Solanas. All right, here we go. 3-hour Stokes about to turn up with any sort of a closure above about 71 bucks. Clean buck and 15 cents above that right now. Hourly is probably already up. Yes, it is. As long as you're above 70.55, good. Buy hourly is up as long as above 71.39.5, and 4-hour will turn to the upside with any sort of a closure above 77. So that's a bit of the odd man out, but that will change in the next hour and 40 minutes. So if it can just hold here sideways, that will start to look decent enough. Short-term timeframes do suggest a bounce, very likely a bounce back up, probably around 73.5 bucks, if I had to guess. And then I'd be cognizant of the 4-hour closure. If it can start to close above about 73.5 to 74 especially, I would be looking at this as a local low, and then for that hidden bullish evidence to play out with another test back up to the upper 70s. But I don't necessarily think that this one's ready like as of right now. I think that you still probably be waiting if this one does essentially put in a higher low right here, which is certainly possible. Long-term target's still the same thing if it does actually break out to the upside, but that is of course relevant for the long term, probably not as relevant to you if you're on the more short-term time frames, but that would still be north of 100 bucks or so pretty damn good, but probably still way far away, assuming that this one just doesn't break down from its current level. Still one of the more impressive charts in cryptocurrency land, no doubt about that, and hopefully that was helpful. There you go, sir.